Hey everyone on YouTube, I have a problem. If you could help me fix this problem by telling me what to do, I would really appreciate it, guys. So comment down below what I can do to fix this problem, okay? So what's happening here is, after I restarted my iPad, I got stuck on the Apple logo. I tried everything to restart it and, make it work, but nothing's happening. Plus, I don't have any Wi-Fi on my computer because my dad didn't set it up yet, so, what do you guys suggest? I had to plug it in because I thought that, it would still work if I did that. Like, if I was to put it on the computer and then, update it, but it's not doing anything, so everybody please help.